a physics lab. This is a physics lab. Is different from biology and chemistry lab. In structure, it's the same. Should have large windows. The benches, they are somehow small than in the biology lab and the chemistry lab. Here there is no beakers, there is no glass apparatus, there is other apparatus. Example, in physics lab, you have to find battery, wires, ammeter, resistor, and galvanometer for physics practicals or physics concepts practice. So these are very much used, and also there is this retort stands that used to measure the oscillation using the pendulum ball. So the room also should be big in construction, large windows, side benches, and middle benches. The room is a classroom. There must be also the water system, but not necessarily gas system, but water system is very important. This is a room with also the protective guards like this, and also there is a blackboard and instruction table. Also here there is this thermometer for measuring the temperature of the surroundings. This is physics lab, and this is how it should look alike. Big room with ventilation, the benches, side benches, and different apparatus. Also in physics, we have a storeroom. A storeroom for storing some equipment and the apparatus. In the lab, there must be stools that the students sit down while they're listening some new concept that is should be elaborated for that time. Physics lab. Physics lab. This is physics lab. In a physics lab storeroom, there is open cabinets where those equipment, these had sometimes equipment, wood material, so not necessary to have a closed cabinet. There is a table for preparation, and also there is a cabinet that those equipment like the ammeters, galvanometers, the bulbs, battery are stored into this room. And also in the physics room there is a fridge. Fridge is very important because some equipment should be kept into cold environment. So there must be a fridge inside for a different concept or keeping a certain equipment into below zero temperature environment. This is physics storeroom. There is a big window which allows ventilation for when preparing some practicals. A fan is very important also in physics. And also the water bath. Water bath, this also can be used in chemistry, but is mostly used in physics. So this is storeroom for physics lab. Water bath.